Welcome to Upstar Plus. In this video, I will show you how to add a contact on WhatsApp Android. To do that, open WhatsApp app on your Android, press plus button at the bottom right. Select new contact. Type first name, last name, select country code, and then type phone number. If you want to sync this contact to your phone, enable this option. After typing number, press save button. Once you have added the number, go back, type that number or name in search, and from the search result, select that number. And from here, we can send a message to that number. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.